Welcome in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur, Class 1st, Subject English, Subject Teacher Mrs. Anjali More. Hello students, have you heard stories about magic or fairies? You may have heard or maybe not, but there are many imaginary stories about fairies. Do you think people can really do magic? Yes, some of you may have thought that yes, there are magicians who can do magics, or some of you may have thought that these are only tricks. See this picture? What do you see in this picture? Yes, tooth and fairies. So students, let us see the story of a girl called Ria who met a tooth fairy in the lesson Ria and the Tooth Fairy. Lesson number 11, Ria and the Tooth Fairy. One day, Ria was very excited. She had lost her milk tooth for the first time. At that night, she thought that she will keep it under her pillow and see what happens. That night, Ria heard some noise near her window. She saw a fairy flying through it. She has a magic wand in her hand. The fairy takes out Ria's tooth from under the pillow. And Ria at that time asked to the fairy, "Why are you taking my tooth?" "Oh no," said the fairy, "I think you should have been asleep." Fairy said to Ria, "I'm taking your tooth so that I could make toys for fairy children. See here, how many toys which are made up of teeth, and how the fairy children are playing with them." She will also leave a gift for Ria. Why fairy leave gift for Ria? Because fairy takes tooth from Ria and in return of it she leave gift for Ria. Fairy said to Ria, "Do you want to see how your tooth will help me?" Ria nods. Then the fairy waves her wand and see what happens. Ria found herself at fairyland, where fairies were busy in making little toys with the teeth. And there Ria enjoyed herself in the fairyland. After some time, the fairy told to Ria, "It is time to go back to home." And in the next morning, when Ria woke up, she found a shiny coin under her pillow and she shouted, "It really happened with me. It was not a dream. It's really happened with me." So students, today we have learned the story of Ria and the Tooth Fairy. But in this lesson there are many new words. Which are these? First one, excited. Excited means very happy and looking forward to something. Second one, milk tooth. Milk tooth is a baby tooth. Third one, window. Window is an opening in a wall through which we can look outside. Fourth one, fairy. Fairy is a small magical person who has wings. Fifth one, magic wand. A stick used to do magic. Sixth one, asleep. Asleep means sleeping. Seventh one, nods. Nods means shakes head to say yes. Eighth one, waves. What is meant by waves? Waves means moves something backwards and forwards again and again. Ninth one, shiny. Shiny means bright. 10th one, coin. Coin is a small round piece of money. Thank you.